So, this is the follow-up video dun sa video ko kanina, dun sa genuine question ko regarding sa globe at magkaiba. I hope na tama yung aking na-tag sa YouTube pero hindi ako sure regarding dito sa TikTok. But anyways, the thing is this. If I go with, saan ba? Ito. S26 plus 40,500. 40,500, right? If I'll go here, kinalculate ko na kanina, 4,500 is one. Tama yung calculation niya kanina. That's 3,186 per month. Okay? If we go with the version, this one, na 512, which is 50/50 or 50,500, ito siya. That's 36. Wait lang. Yep. Yeah. 36 siya. No? So per month. Sige. So mas malaking storage, same features, and so on and so forth. If I go with yung Ultra, which is 512 na, if not mistaken, 512 na yung nakuha kong price na 58,500. That would be around 4K. Right? Now, with that in Bahada, Gmall Bahada, parang mas mura siya. Alright? Kasi per month ko siya babayaran 4K based dun sa nakita ko na plan. Okay. Kasi ang nilagay nila kanina dun is 1,499 tapos yung price tinag nila and so on so forth. Pero tama yung calculation. Yun yung pinakitang calculation sa akin kanina. Okay? Yun yung pinakitang calculation sa akin kanina. Pero ang weird kasi nakalagay dito 2,499. But anyway, yun yung pinakitang calculation sa akin kanina. Same with dito sa 58,500. Okay? Now, the thing is this. If sa Bahada, yun yung babayaran ko buwan-buwan, no problem. But if I go with Ecoland, kailangan ko pa rin bayaran yung 50,500 tapos 2,500 na lang or 1,500 na lang per month. Depende. Pero yung kanina, ewan ko ba, 1,499 na yung pinakita niyang plan eh. Regardless, if 2,499 pa rin man, if 2,499 tataas, that would be additional 1K. So, that would be dapat supposedly 5K or for 1. Which is mataas pa rin. Regardless, pasok pa rin sa plan. Instead of 50,500, that's 249 per month. So, if you're looking at na, okay, may cash out ako, pero 2,500 lang per month, then that's fine. If we go with, wala akong cash out, medyo mahal siya per month, pero wala akong cash out. Diba? Depende on how you look at it. But then again, that's the question, ba't magkaiba? Same naman silang globe. Diba? So, just a question.